I'm Ashley Johnson with Expert Village. Now we're going to go ahead and finally get to making a sugar scrub. First thing that you need to do, take your jar and fill it almost all the way up with sugar. Now, for the sake of time, I went ahead and put most of my sugar in there already. This is much easier if you've got the sugar that's already in the box and you can just pour it. The next thing that you need to do is go ahead and take your baby oil and pour it in there. Now you'll notice it doesn't seep in, so you can't pour all of it at the same time. So take your time, let it go all the way to the bottom, and then you can fill it out. Some people like theirs really watery, some people like theirs to be mostly sugar. I like mine just a little bit more watery. Then what you're going to do is take your vitamin E. Now, once again, you don't have to have vitamin E, but I would recommend it just because it's good for you. I like to put a lot of vitamin E in my stuff. Make sure that doesn't drip. And then we're going to go ahead and put in the fragrance. Now, my fragrance today is going to be lemon. You can pick up these fragrances anywhere. I would suggest go to your local mall. So go ahead, put that in there, and this is just so it has a good scent. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take the spoon, stir it all together. Well, I made a mess on my table. So stir it together. Check it. See, is that too watery for you? If not, put the lid on. And then, just to make it a little bit cuter, tie a bow around it. And there you go. You made your first sugar scrub.